I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our quick bites, this time looking at control curves for 2D meshing.
So we've got many ways of controlling 2D mesh definition in Apex. So just looking at the mesh control curves here, whereby we can add curves to a surface without actually splitting the underlying surface. And that can be useful if you're looking at loads of boundary condition definition, composite properties, etc. So just create these curves and then we can associate them with the underlying surface, and then the mesh is updated to follow those guidelines, as it were. So we're showing that in the spanwise direction for a wing box. If we look at a couple of ribs for the chordwise direction, so we're going to create a couple of spline curves on those ribs and then use them to guide the skin mesh. So point to point spline curve generation, just turning that on in the display, and then again looking at the chordwise definition to give us the full wing box relationship with the skin. Easy and straightforward.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.